You have to try these pumpkin sugar cookies. Yes, pumpkin. Pumpkin makes these sugar cookies so tender that even when cool, they are fragile. They are chewy on the edges and fudgy in the middle. Add any spices you like to complement the pumpkin. Frost with orange tinted cream cheese frosting if you like. First, mix the dry ingredients: 160 grams of all-purpose flour, a quarter teaspoon baking powder, a quarter teaspoon salt, and a quarter teaspoon cinnamon. I also added a dash of nutmeg. Whisk and set aside. To a bowl, add 7 tablespoons of softened butter. Add 3/4 of a cup of white sugar and cream for a few minutes till light and fluffy. Mix in half of an egg yolk. Now mix in a 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree. Add a teaspoon of vanilla and gradually add the dry ingredients and mix gently with a spatula. The dough will be sticky, but if it looks too wet, add another tablespoon of flour. Chill the dough for 20 minutes, then roll into 12 balls, then chill again until completely firm. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. If desired, roll the balls of cookie dough and granulated sugar before placing the balls on a parchment-lined cookie sheet 2 inches apart. Bake about 13 minutes or until no longer wet on top. Cool for 10 to 15 minutes and then enjoy. Thanks for watching.